Fatkat, of course, bringing you another one, man. Up early today. What time, by the way, say what's up to Gianni.
What's up?
Gianni is the only one that came with me this morning, man, to this car show here in Daytona. The only one that wanted to wake up. No, I'm just playing, man. Actually, my wife actually wanted to come too, but it's going to be a super long day. And the little one didn't want to come, which is probably best anyway, because, again, it's going to be a long day. And he probably just wouldn't go well with him. Anyway, man, but so yeah, man, so we got up, what time we got up this morning? Like 5:30? 5:30 in the morning, man, on a Saturday morning. I'm telling you guys, man, so my my last video, I was saying that you know, I didn't want to wash the car or whatever because it was Friday evening and everything like that. And I was like, I just kind of wanted to relax, but I was like, it was too full. I never got around to the second fold. I'm telling you guys, man, I'm a super scatterbrain, man. Look, there go a cop right there. I don't know if you guys seen that, man. It's the cops here in Florida. They be waiting to get you. Anyway, but yeah, man. So the second part of that, the second fold to that, was the fact that I need to make sure I got content for you guys, man. So, you know, so that was the second fold, man. So the first one, because obviously I need to get ready for the car show, or just watch the car for the car show. And second of all was, yeah, man, I wanted to get content for you guys. And really, what I was going with was, you know, even when you don't feel like doing something, man, if you know that it needs to be done, like, you just got to go out and do it, man, no matter what. So, like I said, we all have those days, man. We wake up in the morning, or it be late at night or whatever. You be like, man, I don't want to do this right now. But at the end of the day, you got to figure out some kind of way, man, to be able to spark that inside of you to be able to go ahead and do it. Got a guy over there, man. He's giving me the thumbs up. Anyway, man, but actually, I think I. Oh, that's what's his name. I do know him. I forget his name, but I know him though. I rode with him a couple times. So you gotta like. You gotta be a spark, exactly, man. So no matter what, man, like I said, there's a lot of times that you're not gonna want to do something, or like I said, it's gonna be days you don't want to wake up, nights where you don't want to do something. But at the end of the day, you still gotta be able to find that within yourself to do it, man, because that's how you become successful. Because the times that you don't want to do something, and that's with anything, not just YouTube or you know, whatever. That's with anything, man. Like, you don't want to do your homework at the time, right?
Never.
Exactly. But guess what? If you don't do your homework, then you get bad grades and so on and so on and so forth. You don't understand the material. So it's like, so you have to do your homework for that, right? So same thing. Like, let's say you want to lose weight, or you want to get, you know, whatever, go to the gym. Those days that you don't want to go, that's the days that you definitely make sure that you do go, because that's what's going to make you better, man. So at the end of the day, man, like I'm saying is, you just got to make sure you find that within yourself to go ahead and do it, even in the times that you don't feel like doing it. Because guess what? When you don't do it, the other person is going to go do it. And that person becomes successful because they find it within themselves to go out there and finish doing what they got to do, even if they don't feel like doing it. And while you're at home laying down, the other person is working. Like I said, whether that's at the gym, doing their homework, you know what I'm saying, getting good grades in school, and then you're failing, you know, YouTube, your job, anything it is, man. So that's it, man. I just had to throw that in there real quick. But today, man, so today is the car show day. Like I said, it's gonna be a super long day. This morning we're gonna go to meet up with a couple people, man. So we're gonna meet up with a couple Mopars and a Tesla. Ain't that crazy? A Tesla rolling with some Mopars. So yeah, man. So we're gonna go meet up with a couple other Mopars, man. Obviously, all of these that you've seen on the channel before. And then we're gonna meet up with the Tesla, the bag Tesla that I did not too long ago, feature on that car. So we're gonna meet up, and then we're gonna roll out to Daytona and hit the car show, man. So this first part is gonna be of us rolling around, you know, rolling and everything else to the car show, and then after that I'll bring the car show to you guys and all that good guys when we get to location, man, and then like I said, we'll roll out from there. Introduce everybody, then we'll roll out, bring that rolling footage to you guys, and then we'll do the, and then the next part of the video will be the show. So, all right, man.
Later.
What's going on, guys? What's going on? We got one person plugged in, we got another one getting gas.
Yeah.
If this is not the direct definition of the world we live in today. Two polar opposites, man.
There too.
What's that?
There's 4 of us, right?
Yeah. Felix is there. Where's Manny at? Inside?
They're inside getting coffee.
So by the way, this is
Tesla Mods 33.
Tesla Mod. I mean, I knew the IG. Dominic, there you go.
There you go.
Tesla Mod 33. We did the feature on his car not too long ago. Of course, that's Sam Havens, the infamous.
Not me.
Always dancing, but with the Widebody Hellcat. Hey, Manny's inside?
Yeah.
All right, man. Anyway, let me go park real quick, and then we'll get out real quick. So there we go, man. Got Manny's car. Ooh, you put the drags in the back, huh?
Always.
You had those on there already?
A long time ago.
Huh. By the way, there goes Manny.
What's up?
What's going on?
We're gonna thank you later.
right, man. So we just got into the car show. I should have recorded before when we first got here, man. But we were outside, and then they were just letting the 75 elite people in, which I was not selected for the elite people. Me or the two Chargers behind me. Manny, the guy with the black Charger and the Tesla, both were. So I was like, hey man, I'm just gonna try to get in anyway. And yeah, man, they let me straight in. They didn't even ask. So anyway, man, we're rolling over there. So this is at the Daytona Speedway. They got cars rolling. They got NASCARs rolling around on the track. I think that's like part of it as well. Hey man, so like I was saying, like yeah man, they let us straight in. So hopefully we could get all the way in, and we get into the car. I don't know if I'll be able to park in the garage because that's literally 75. But from there, at least we could probably get close to the garage so we could we could all be together. So let's see what happens. We're with the Tesla and the black truck and the black Hellcat as well. Okay. Us three. Yeah. Damn. You just follow them? Yeah. Hey, say what's up to YouTube, by the way, man.
Hey, what's up? We out here doing what's good, man? What's doing? That's my guy right here. Yeah. Hey, I got you.
All right, man. So we just pulled in, man. We about to wipe down the cars and everything else, man. You see, we got garage spots. We got Manny over there, man. This is father-in-law right here, Sam's father. You got Felix right there, man. Like I said, then you got Christine right here, baby. We pulled in. Felix, what's up, bro? Got some good spots today, huh? Look at that. Look at that marrow. Got this nasty, Yo, we got my man right here, man. Yeah. Yo, what was your name?
Holding it down, Rasta.
Rasta, bro.
Clean Culture _FD2.
Say that again one more time.
Clean Culture _FD2.
Hey, this is a good man right here, man. Hey, much props to you, bro. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Yeah. So we was about to have to move out because we didn't get the elite sticker, man. But dude was like, man, don't worry about it, man. Stay in there, man. This is my guy right there, man. Anytime I come out to anything, man, definitely gonna hook him up for sure. Hey, but alright, man, so we're gonna, like I said, wipe down the cars now, get them ready and prepped and everything else. We got a couple hours until the actual show. So like I said, so we're gonna wipe everything down, man, make sure they're all nice and clean and everything else. You guys can see, man, that's what everybody's doing right now. Getting everything all nice and clean. And then, like I said, then from there, we're gonna actually start the show and everything else, man. So, I'll get with you guys in a little bit, man. The next video will be the actual show, me walking around, doing whatever, seeing things. What's going on? You want to say hi to them?
Hey, how you guys doing?
It's on YouTube.
Cool.
It's Sam Haven's father, her father right there. That's her father, man. You see, he got the nasty Hellcat here. Nice black, look at that. Woo! Thing looks good, man. Got the diffuser on there and everything. I think it's nice, man. So like I said, so we're getting ready to wipe everything down, and then after that, like I said, the next video will be of the actual show itself. So a lot more to come, man. Make sure you guys stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know, man, like I said, I got a lot of things coming for you guys, man. The very next video will be the rest of the show itself, man. There's a lot of cars here, man. I got a lot. So like I said, I walk around, do everything. They actually, and they're running NASCARs too. So I might see if I can get in that and maybe videotape that as well. We'll see. Anyway, appreciate you guys for watching this video, man. Stay tuned to the next one. We got Gianni right there. It's gonna be a long day, man. All right, man. Again, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next one, man. Later.